Here's a video on how to replace the Hyundai key battery. So we need the CR2032 battery. We need the screwdriver. Okay. First thing, remove the emergency key. You see there's a button at the back there. Yeah. If you press it down, you pull the emergency key out. Now the battery is in here, so we need to remove the battery cover. You see the hole here? Yeah, one is for the key, yeah, emergency key. Yeah, there's another hole on the side here. If you use the screwdriver, you twist it like that, you open up, you twist it, open up. Yeah, see that? Okay, you just pull the cover away. Yeah, here's a battery, CR2032 battery. Pry out. Okay, to replace it, go in like that with the plus sign facing up. Yeah, push it in like that. Line the battery cover up like that. Press it down. Yep. And slide the emergency key back on. Okay, it's very simple. Yep. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. This is Hyundai key. Thank you.